Hey folks, it's Andrew Brown. Let's take a look at where the resource hierarchy is and what we can do with it. So right now I'm in my Google Cloud account. If you do not have a Google Workspaces account, you'll have to make one first because you need to be an organization in order to manage your resource hierarchy. But you can see here I already have an existing project, but if you click here, what you can do is go to the three ellipses and manage resources. If for whatever reason this path is not working for you, you can go on the left-hand side here to the three pancakes. And I like to think of those pancakes instead of hamburgers, but it's pancakes for me. If you go to IAM and admin under manage resources, it will get us to the same place. So our organization is at the top level. You can see we have folders underneath, and then we have our projects, and then resources are within the projects. So it's pretty straightforward at this step here. But if we wanted to create some things like a folder or project, we can do that. So I'll make a new one, and I'm going to call this one learning. Okay. And you can see I'm putting this organization in this location. We'll go ahead and create that. Sometimes there's a bit of a delay here, so you need to be a little bit patient dealing with this here. And so, yeah, notice like right away I do not see my folder, so we'll go ahead and give that a refresh. Right, so I'm like, where did it go? And so that's generally what my experience is trying to find some of these resources. Now we can go up to, I believe it's up in our notifications. And so we can see that it has been created, but just notice that we do not see it. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to wait a little bit here, maybe 5 minutes, 3 minutes, and give it a refresh and see if it appears, okay? You have to have confidence when working with the Google Cloud Management Console because sometimes things just don't show up immediately, okay? All right, so I was doom scrolling for a bit. Now I'm back. Let's give it a refresh and see if it appears. And so now it appears. So yeah, again, have patience for these resources being created. I'm gonna go here on the right-hand side, see if we can directly create. We can move them, and there are very little settings for us to do. You see you have application APIs here if you want to have that feature on. It's still in preview, so there's not much to talk about there. But let's say we want to create a new project under here. I'm gonna checkbox this here. Let's go ahead and do that. And there is a limit to how many projects you can have in your repo, or sorry, your organization. I can't remember what the number is, but I'm going to make a new one here. And this will just be called, I just want to have a generic one that I'm going to keep using here again and again. So this will just be GCP Playground. Okay. And if you want to make sure you have a nice name, that one's fine. I might want a number I can remember, 1212. We'll do that if I'm allowed to take that. And I'm going to go ahead and create that. There we go. Okay, and again, these things take time, but managing resources is pretty straightforward. You can move things around, right? You can create folders, and this structure is obviously going to be valuable when you want to apply organizational policies, which we'll look at pretty soon. But again, we're just waiting for that resource. As we're waiting, let's just take a look here. So yeah, you can apply tags, but I'm not really interested in doing that here today. So I'm going to wait, and once that's created, then we'll continue on here. Yeah, and again, notice you have to wait a little while, so we'll wait a little while, okay? All right, again, back, and we'll give this a refresh, see if that resource is there. It is, but it's not where I want it to be. I want it to be in this folder here, which is fine, so we'll go ahead and move it. And we'll go ahead and say move. And there we go, now it's been moved. So now it is over here, okay? So again, we can apply tags if we want to. Edit tags for the resources. So we could do this and apply tag if we want to. So I guess I don't really care. 1 second. I was thinking about it. We can go ahead and do some tags. So if we were going to want to have tags, we'll have to make some first. So I'm going to go ahead and open a new link here. We'll type in tags at the top. And that should bring us over to IAM admin. Again, if you need to find it another way, it's probably here. And so we'll go ahead and create ourselves a new tag. What do I want to call this tag? Learning, maybe. Well, it depends. There's a key and a value, right? So yeah, I'll go ahead and type in learning for fun here. For use of network firewalls, no, we're just doing that. Add one or more tag values that can be enforced for the policy categorization. So we can go ahead here. Maybe I'm typing in ACE for its value. And we can give it a descriptor. I'm not going to go ahead and give it a descriptor. We'll go ahead and create that tag. So that tag is creating. Again, this is not a very useful tag, but it is a tag so that we at least learn that little bit there. And if we go back over to here, I want to see if I can actually apply that tag. So select current project. And this is the thing, it's propagation. You got to wait. So we'll give it, again, another few minutes and maybe we can apply that tag, okay? All right, again, quite a bit of waiting here. And so we're going to give this a nice hard refresh. Hard refresh up here just in case. Give them lots of hard refreshes. And what we're going to do here, if these pop-ups get out of the way, there we go. We'll go ahead and checkbox that. See if we can apply tags again. We'll scope the tags. Cannot contain tags. Okay. But why not? Okay, that's fine. We'll say select current project. I mean, that's just another way to do it. And learning. So yeah, I'm not sure why I can't select my tags right now, but that's totally fine. So I'm going to go ahead. But my point is we'll come back to tagging when we need it. Right now, we do not need it. And I really just want to focus on managing hierarchies. But yeah, there you go. Okay.